Hello, this is Yoshi here. Don't know what to say, but oh, that over there, a big lump under my bed is over there. That's my dog. Let's go see if he's awake. Come on. Are you awake? Hello? Apparently you are. Hello? Oh, I just farted. Did you hear that? Oh, that was awesome. That is my dog. And, that's my video game over there. I'm in that Club Los Angeles. Joker's head's kind of, my dog's head, well, his name's Joker, is kind of in the way. But it's in his photo mode there. Yeah, that's my new Xbox over there. And yeah, that's almost it. Yoshi run to Yoshi, 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 yo, it's Yoshi here, yo. Is this turned on? Is this turned on? Is this thing turned on? Yes, Yoshi, it is. Oh, okay. Yoshi do not know what to talk about. Yoshi's here. This is where Mario goes, and we go blap blap blap. I eat my apples. That's about it. Bye.